weeks into 5 through 11-year-olds being able to get a COVID vaccine. But one attorney is urging families to have an open discussion about the decision, especially if they no longer live under the same roof. On your side, Karina Bolster has more on some of the pandemic-related issues that are now going to family court.
Well, a family attorney here in the Richmond area tells me he has multiple clients dealing with pandemic-related issues, including whether or not to get their child vaccinated. But he's reminding parents that the ultimate decision really comes down to one thing.
What's in the child's best interest? And if you cannot articulate that, you're not going to win.
Now with 5 to 11-year-olds able to get a vaccine, Edward Barnes says it's important for divorced parents to have a conversation before the child rolls up their sleeve. In most cases, it comes down to the agreement of those involved and the court order regarding custody.
Let's suppose for a second the court order for custody is the parents have joint legal custody and one of them has physical custody. Joint legal custody encompasses agreeing on decisions that are in the children's best interest.
If an agreement can't be reached, then a court appearance may be necessary or even some form of mediation. But it's possible the judge may not be able to make a decision, which is when one parent may move to change the custody agreement.
If the court changes joint legal custody to one of them, then that one can make the decision. And the court may decide on doing that based on what the court thinks which of the parties is better able to look out for the best interests of the children.
It's a complicated situation, especially given the effects the COVID-19 pandemic has had on some families. But it's important to know as many facts as possible before making the decision for your children.
Know the medical situation, know the recommendations of your doctor.
But Barnes says the best advice he can give is this.
Don't let grudges interfere with decisions about your children.
On your side in Richmond, Karina Bolster, NBC 12 News.
Well,